Andrea. This is Andrea. Andi Orman. Andi Orman. Andi Orman is 4 years old from Kent, Washington. Here we go, Andrea. This is a good one. She is climbing on. She is not scared. Andrea. Now, she's got curly hair. You will not miss her when she comes by. Andi Orman is 4 years old, 38 pounds, from Kent, Washington. Let's see what you got, Andrea. Hang on! No, that's a 4-year-old. Yeah, if you please don't leave her in the face, that'd be great. Andrea, that's awesome. Give me a hug. Oh, you smoked that one. You did a good job. Give me 5. Give me 5. Awesome. 4 years old, decided she was going to mutton bust, threw the fear away, climbed on board one of God's stinkiest animals, and just rolled the rule off it. Man, she made the 6 seconds, I'm assuming, because that was a great ride. We're going to score her 81 and 81 3/4. She is now in 2nd place.